everyone, good evening to all. Now we are going to have pair debate. He is my partner, he prefers bus journey and I'm in the favor of train journey. So let's get started with the Suraj.
I hope you will like our debate. I am in the favor of bus journey. That why bus journey is better than the train journey, because in bus journey you can easily book your ticket in a easier way. Whether you can travel by your bus and by your means by sitting alone you can easily travel. Those who don't like the others company, they can easily go by the bus. Even bus provide the door to door facility. This thing you will not found in train. If you go by train you have to connect, means you have to take auto for going to your place, to your home. That's why bus journey is better than train journey.
Okay, sir. So I am in the favor of train journey. So why? So I said that the train is the transport who used by the people in widely manner. Why I said because India has one oligopoly network. It is in Indian Railway, and by the train we can get traveled by the train, and there are several passengers who travels with the help of train. As you mentioned about the door to door, I don't think so that whatever you have said that was appropriate, because when we go with the with the help of bus, so after that we have to take another rickshaw and taxi and other transport system. So I don't think so what you have said that was appropriate in my perception. I am in the favor of train. Why I said that? Because in the train that we get lot of facilities, about food facilities, about toilet facilities, about there are several things which we get from the train. So I don't think so bus is rather far better than that train.
Bus is far better than train. Why? As you mentioned about the food facility, recently that Vande Bharat launched by our Prime Minister, and most of the Twitter means those who use Twitter, they upload the video of fruit. Even they got means that cockroach in fruit. This is the good fruit? Not at all. Even you can buy, means you can make your food and you can travel by the bus. You can easily take your food, and by that you can easily means be a sanitization, means the clarity you will get in bus. Even you not get that type of clarity in train. Even if you use the bathroom of train, you can easily see that we are not getting that type of clarity which we get. Even nowadays in bus we have a washroom. They provide AC, and the coach, even a sleeper coach are there in bus. But if you travel by the train, there is general coach where there are means lots of people who travel by the general, and they don't have ticket. This is the good thing. Not at all. I don't think so.
Sir, I don't think that what you have said that was appropriate in my perception, because that as you said about AC facilities and all, so we get AC facility in the train. And about food, so that I don't think that was correct, or that was a correct thing. But the thing is that, as I said, that food and about toilet, so I think you don't visit and at any train and at any railway station. Now we have cleanliness. That means each and everything we can get in cleanly manner. So we don't think that earlier we had, but now we don't have. Except that if I take example of cost, that it is less cheaper than other transportation. If I go with the bus, so it takes more than 500, more than 700. But if I go with the train, so it takes only 350 and 400, and I can get all the facilities in that. So I don't think that bus is beneficial for others. Whenever I go, I would prefer train rather than bus.
If you go with bus, that the bus cost is 500, minimum the 500 you can easily travel by the bus. And if you want any type of facility, you will not get in the train. Why? Means as you said about the 800 and the 1000, I am pretty sure that even if in 800 and 1000 you will not get the facilities of food, facilities of that clothes, facilities of the clothes. Even you will not found. I am pretty sure about it. As you mentioned about the food, that I said about the food, it is posted on Twitter by the minister. How can you say that how can you say that he post wrong thing? We cannot say that, because he is a minister and his duty to do this type of thing. Even that nowadays you can see the crimes, even not crimes, you can see the tragedy of the bus. Recently in Odisha this thing happened, which is really means tremendous for us. Why? Because we are facing this type of thing, this type of facility. We are putting our money for that. No, we are not putting for that. We are putting to be safe, to be traveled by the safe, but we are not getting this type of thing. Whose fault is there? There is a fault of government. There is a fault of not there is a type of fault of people. There is a fault of government. Government is not providing anything to people. Just they are taking the thing and just doing whatever they want to do.
As you said about incident and accident all, so that train has means minimum chances to get an accident in that, but every time that bus get in accident, and I saw a lot of cases in regarding that. And as you said about the things what you have said, I forgot that the thing, but the thing is that train has different kind of coaches. You can get every coach according to your money. If you don't have that much money, you can go with the you can go with the help of a general coach. And as you said that crowd and all, that's how that I said that India's huge percentage that who is means traveling by the train. So that's why I prefer train journey rather than bus, and accept it that we get flexibility in the train. We don't need to wait a lot. It has cheaper rate. If we get lot of facility regarding all the things. We get emergency when we have emergency, so we can go to a platform and we can get help from doctor, police. But in the term of buses, we don't have any kind of facility over there. We have to suffer a lot while traveling. And if I take example of sleepers and seats, we don't feel comfortable while sitting when we travel with by the bus. So we don't feel comfortable, because if we go, that bus is good for near means when we go when we cover short distance, but when we go long distance, so we prefer train. As you said about
that train is better than the bus. Why? Nowadays you can see, everyone wants to make their videos on YouTube, upload on Instagram, on YouTube. And what they do, just they hang around, means they stand on door and make the video. Don't you think that it is very harmful for the people, even government not doing any type of thing for that, even that the people are not saying any type, even people say, but they means they don't have any type of that, what we call that, even they take risks for making that 50-second video. They are taking risks and make the video. Even because of that, most of the people are not able to sit. And you said about the general coach, you don't know about the general coach, that the facilities of general coach, even we don't have the facility of putting our leg on the land. Even means you will not find that type of thing. Even in the sleeper coach, you will also not find. Why? Because there is an type of TC. I never see any type of TC. This is the facility of the government on that the railways, they have to put it on. And even in the bus, in bus you are not able to stand on that door. Why? Because conductor is there, he will stop you and he will say you that don't do this, otherwise he will put you out from there.
I don't think so, sir, that you don't know about the DTC, Delhi Transport Corporation, the condition of that buses, that the structure like that, structure like that. So I don't think that it seems that it get fallen down from that's how. And about the as you said about crowd and all, so you can see the crowd in the DTC bus. Do you have you ever traveled in the? So I hope you would like our video. So please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you for that.